Pay attention. Don't look at the TV. Check you out, Chunk. Strong five. That's right. Strong five. Go ahead.
1,
Mm-hmm.
2, 3,
Mm-hmm.
4.
Excellent. Oh my goodness. Look at you. You've gotten so good.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Good, Bryson.
10.
Mm-hmm. Now do your dribble. Go. Wow, check you out.
I'm gonna beat Tommy.
You're going to beat Tommy? Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna beat the boys.
Because practice makes what?
Practice.
Okay, scoot back. Wow, Bryson! Again. Strong hand. Don't forget, use your strong five. Go. Wow, good trying, buddy. Go back there. Look at that. You switched hands. Did you see that?
Yeah.
Oh my God, Daddy's going to be so proud.
2,
No, do it again.
3.
Dribble. Okay, don't bring the ball higher than like your elbows.
My hand.
Yeah, so keep it down, lower than your waist. Lower than your waist. Like by your zipper. Yeah, okay, go a little higher. Good job, Bryson.
I'm done.